Today is April 28th, 2026, and it's about almost 9 o'clock p.m. and Jim and I worked in the gym. We did the garden or the property, and then I tended to the garden. Basically, I planted jasmine, I planted tomatoes, I planted all kinds of sunflowers. And so I ended up harvesting, I think this is going to be pretty much our last bunch of fava beans, and they're also known as broad beans. And so this is, we've been eating from this daily for a couple of months, and then we ended up pulling out the plants because the plants have nitrogen and that's good for the soil, so I'll go ahead and plant something else there. But I wanted to show how we can preserve these for a later date. So basically, they come in these little packages here, and you open them up like this, and then you remove the seed, and you blanch them for like 2 minutes, and you put them all in cold water, and then this shell opens up to two other little peas in there, beans basically. And then you can stir fry those, add them to salads, or have them as a side dish. But after you blanch them from hot to cold ice water, then you can just put them on a cookie sheet and freeze them. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right here with these, and we can save them and have them for the next month or so. Okay, cheers.